its critics, a Bible-loving crowd, if there ever was one, are throwing a fit of biblical proportions over this, probably because they don't know that signing someone's Bible is a common practice in the South. What's really got them hot under their Roman collars is that the owner of the Bible Trump signed just sold it on eBay for $325. You can see why they're mad. This transaction combined the two things Trump critics hate the most: Christianity and free market capitalism. Maybe they would have felt better if the sale price was 30 pieces of silver. Now, I'm not sure all the hoo-ha is all about. Trump's a big fan of the Bible, all three testaments of it. He even said it's his all-time favorite book, not counting The Art of the Deal. And a Bible signed by a president of the United States has a genuine historical value, especially if that president...
Okay, I'm gonna let you go, all right?
A new art exhibit hopes to inspire the
All right,
same
talk to you
color
later.
as the iconic
Okay, bye.
pale blue dot and blue marble photos. Now, the art project is in New York's Lower East Side, is a live streaming view of the Earth taken from an orbiting NASA satellite. The Chilean artist, Sebastian Aerozurcas, calls it a platform to see ourselves from a macro perspective, a tiny instant within a much larger space and time continuum. Let's take a look. Well, it was an exciting day in cycling, and it was a not so exciting day if you're looking for a haircut in order to participate in an event. Steve Christakis joins us from the RT Sports headquarters. Lots of things going on, but I want to get to the haircutting story because I always love a good haircut. Well, let's start with some highlights.
Yeah, there was some good mountain bike action going on in South Africa. And stage one of South Africa's epic mountain bike race kicked off in Hermanus, and it was a tight race from the start. Swiss duo Nino Schurter and Lars Forster took the lead at the beginning of the 69-mile portion of the race, but quickly received stiff competition. Riders packed together during the Kak Kloof climb, with the Swiss team trying to establish the lead, and the two pulled away during the flat stretch of the course, but Team Cannondale Factory Racing's Manuel Fumek and Henrique Avancini were closing in on them. As the race would wind through the flatlands, it was neck and neck, with Forster pulling away from the pack as they headed through the trees, and Forster added to his team's lead during the rocky part of the trail, just nearly avoiding a few falls and pushing his teammate toward the finish line, taking the first stage by 20 seconds. Fumek and Avancini were a close second, followed by Yaroslav Kolhavi and Sam Gaze in third. Stage two covers 56 miles to the next town of Oak Valley.
I mean, all we're missing is some quicksand on there.
Yeah.
Maybe some water on that side. Okay, now let's go to a story that we first brought you earlier a few weeks ago, talking about a ref decided that he was going to have to cut one of the wrestlers, high school wrestler's hair,
Right.
and he did it right there. Now we actually have some legal action following.
Yes, so to set this up, basically, which we talked about in your show earlier, it was Andrew Johnson is a 16-year-old wrestler from high school in New Jersey, and the referee, Alan Maloney, gave him an ultimatum, basically said, you know, your hair is a violation of the rules, apparently, and that if you don't cut your dreadlocks, you will have to forfeit the match. So the kid was looking for a head cover. Andrew Johnson said, well, he offered to cover with a head cover, which is in compliance with the rules. You just can't have the hair hanging below your earlobes or shoulders. And Alan Maloney gave him 90 seconds, said if you don't cut it, basically you don't wrestle. So he did end up getting his hair cut, humiliating the 16-year-old kid basically in front of all these fans. Andrew Johnson went on to win the match, but Alan Maloney afterwards was never able to referee another match since then. Since that point, the New Jersey State Athletic Commission Association actually barred him from refereeing any matches.
Because he cut the hair.
Yes.
And abided by the rules.
Well, abided by the rules, but many say he didn't because he could have allowed him to wear a head cover, but he said his head cover or headgear was no good. So,
You know, I blame all this the coach. Because the coach should have been the one ahead of this to plan it. That's what you do with any sport. If you know that you're going to have an issue, you take care of it ahead of time. This coach says the boy did not grow the hair overnight. This is obviously good. Had this been an issue at any other places? Lots of details.
Well, that's the thing. Previously, Andrew Johnson has never had an issue. He would just use a head cover, and his dreadlocks were fine. So that's the thing. This also, Alan Maloney has had some history with racial controversies. Back in 2016, he was suspended for using a racial slur against another African-American referee. So, you know, there is something here.
They're kind of troublemakers.
Yes.
They were kind of looking for something.
Right, and now he's playing the victim, and he's suing the New Jersey State Athletic Commission Association for $100,000 in damages, saying he was defamed and that he suffered income loss and emotional distress. But Andrew Johnson is doing well. He just qualified for the regional championships. So.
Well, and more importantly, did he grow his hair out and make sure that he had a covering at the next
He does have a head covering.
Well, there you go. You know what? You kind of learned a lesson on this, but this should be a lesson that all out there.